Hi, my name is Susan Hill, and I will be your instructor for Fast Track Writing Lab, the online version, 8-week course. And in this particular video, I just want to introduce myself to you and give you an overview of the class itself, and so that you can get an idea of what to expect from our time together. I originally came from Locust Grove, Oklahoma. That's where I was born, raised, spent my whole life, graduated from high school, and then traipsed off to Northeastern State University in Tahlequah to study communications. I earned my bachelor's from there, and most importantly, I met the love of my life, Bentley Hill, while I was at NSU. We were married in June of 1989, and we ran off to the island of Oahu, where we spent a year working with college students at the University of Hawaii. When we were convinced that the college campus is where we wanted to spend the rest of our lives, we came back to Southwestern Baptist Theological Seminary in Fort Worth, Texas, and earned our master's degrees. Bentley earned his in student ministry, and I earned my master's in communications. From there, we relocated to Okmulgee, Oklahoma, and became employed by OSU, the IT campus, the technology campus. I worked as the director of admissions for 5 years while Bentley served as director of the Baptist Student Union there. More importantly, while we were there, we had 2 children, a daughter Samantha and a son Brent. When they were still very young, we had the opportunity to move back to Lafleur County. This is where my husband is from. He's a Howell boy. And so we came back home for him, and I became a stay-at-home mom for 13 years. After my kids were in high school, the opportunity came available for me to work here at Carl Albert, and I have not regretted that one bit. I've been here since 2010 and thoroughly enjoy working with the students at Carl Albert. And I look forward to having you in class this semester. I also teach Freshman Comp 1, Comp 2, Humanities, Old Testament, and several reading and writing classes. I look forward to having you in this fast track writing class. So what can you expect this semester? Well, this particular class is designed to complement your Freshman Comp 1 course. So I'm not going to require a lot of essay writing from you. In fact, the only essay that will be due for me this semester is that I'm asking you to take one of your essays that you have to write for Comp 1 and submit it to me at the end of Module 1. I will take that essay, I will proof it, give you helpful comments and suggestions, and then send it back to you so that hopefully we can team up together to get a really good score on at least one of your essays in Comp 1. Hopefully it will be beneficial to you and you will decide to have all of your essays proved. It's just a service that we provide here at Carl Albert, and I'll be happy to look at those essays for you. I do ask that you send the essays to me where I have at least 24 hours to 48 hours to look them over and return them to you. So that's one of the ways that you will make your grade in this class. Another thing that we'll be doing is taking a lot of quizzes, little 10-question quizzes. I will teach on a lot of subjects like apostrophes and quotation marks and complex sentences. And then I will send you to take a Blackboard quiz, a 10-question quiz. All of these quizzes are set up so that you have 3 attempts and I will keep only the high score. So don't let the quizzes pressure you. They are truly there for a learning experience. If at any point you're still frustrated, you can always email me. I'll visit with you by phone and see if I can help you as you try to meet the challenges of these grammar lessons. And then finally, your last way of making a grade for me will be through writing assignments. Again, we will not write an essay for this class, simply proofing at least one that you have written for Freshman Comp 1. But I will ask you to write 4 paragraphs for me in 4 different rhetorical modes. We'll write an illustrative paragraph, a descriptive paragraph, a narrative paragraph, and a process paragraph. And inside the modules, I will explain very clearly what those rhetorical modes are, how to best create a process paragraph. Hopefully, again, this will complement what you're also learning in your Comp 1 class and make you a better writer for both classes. Okay, I have set this up in 7 modules. So after you finish watching this video, you'll look over to the left, you'll see a Start Working button, and that's sort of our magic button for the class. You'll click on Start Working and you will see all of the modules listed there for you. I have all 7 available so that you can just jump right in and start working. We start off with an introduction and an overview to essays. Even though I'm going to be working with you in paragraphs, I'm going to take you from words and go all the way to paragraphs. I know that your Comp 1 instructor will have you writing essays quickly. So I have started this thing off with just an overview of how to write an essay. As you watch the video, understand I'm kind of coaching you through the process of writing one. You do not have to stop and write an essay for me. Just use this as a tutorial to prepare you for the essays that you'll be writing in Comp 1. Then you'll move into Module 2, which is about words, Module 3, that's about sentences, and so on, just working you through some grammar issues. You'll notice that there are due dates set, and I have tried to be consistent with these, setting them on Tuesdays at noon. This gives you time to work over the weekend. If you have any questions about an assignment, you can contact me on Monday and still have your assignment finished by Tuesday fairly easily. So just watch for those due dates on Tuesdays at noon. We have 8 weeks and we have 7 modules, so we are going to be booking it. Watch for those deadlines carefully. On this particular page, as you finish your video and you look at this particular page, you'll see an announcements box. And this is where I will post announcements to you. Anything that we're missing or we need to get caught up on, I'll try to post little reminders to you there. You'll also find instructor information about how to contact me. I'm here on the Poteau campus, 3rd floor of the Ollie Center in room 1304. So you're welcome to stop by my office anytime. And you can also give me a call, 918-647-1472. The best way to contact me is through my email at shill@carlalbert.edu. Again, all of this information is on this welcome page when you log out of the video itself. Okay, so when you finish with this video, go ahead and start into the Start Working. You just click on that over on the left-hand side. It'll take you in to see the introduction module. You'll be ready and set to go. I hope you have a great time. And again, I look forward to working with you through videos, through emails, however I can best help you as you begin your journey at Carl Albert State College.